for another food review. Today's Thursday and me, Pinky, and Goldie will meet up later to have dinner. So today, ang among plan is to try a new restaurant. It's called Beef Paras House, and they serve beef paras. But basically, the highlight is their bone marrow side. I don't know unsa na siya kalami, but I haven't tried yet the beef paras with marrow, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned sa amo ang eating adventure today, and I'll see you later. Bye! What's up, guys? So we're here right now at Beef Paras House. This is previously called Pat Boy's Kitchen. Pat Boy's Kitchen is famous here in Davao for cooking home-cooked meals and sweet and savory dishes that you will always enjoy. They also have Food Panda stall, but I'm not sure if the Beef House Paras is also in Food Panda, but I heard their food is amazing. So come join us as we eat their famous sizzling beef paras tenderloin. Bye! See you later! So we're here right now and we're about to eat our beef paras. Stay tuned! Watch us eat! I just got home, and after dinner we went to Pinky's house, and Jan picked me up, and now I'm here. So I'm just gonna do a quick review on the beef pares house. The food that we ordered, we had sizzling beef tenderloin. No, I don't think it's tenderloin, but tendon. Sizzling beef tendon with marrow. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the sauce. The sauce was amazing. It was thick, but not overly like viscous. It's thick. It's, you know, like the savory kind of thick, and it was garlicky and peppery and everything nice. And ang na-amaze na ko is the marrow. Sometimes I really don't like the beefy kind of smell the marrow puts off. Pero ang ilahang marrow is very, very good. I think they added a little bit of sugar para ma-counter ang taste sa beef. Like, it has like a fishy smell, no? Or like, yeah, I know, it's a beefy smell. But by adding a little bit of sugar and then torching it, it tastes amazing. And then I tried Pinky's, and she added a little bit of calamansi juice. I highly recommend putting calamansi juice because it's like tangy. It makes the food tangy and savory at the same time. Not savory actually, but sour. So it gives off a nice flavor between the charred marrow plus the gravy that was placed in. I really like the way they served the dish because paghatod yun sa waiter, when they put it on your table, it's really sizzling, unlike like some other dishes na late nila ikuha ang food, and then it turns out na when they put it on your table, cold na siya, so di na siya lamig. But especially sa beef, the beef tends to be greasy, so mas maayo jud na when you serve it, it's really piping hot. Also, the beef itself, I was shocked because usually if you stir-fry beef or like you cook beef, it's gonna get rubbery or something. But no, their beef was absolutely soft. And maskin ka ng mga pustis or you have dentures, kaya ra kayo siya kaunon because it's really, really, really soft. And I think that's it. Oh, and by the way, their rice really complemented everything about the dish. It's smoky and garlicky and oily and everything fatty and everything sinful. So I highly, highly recommend Beef House Pares. Their food is not that expensive actually. The sizzling plate is I think 190 pesos. And you can buy soft drinks on the side or like dessert on the side. The waiter said their best seller for dessert is the milk tea, but I'm pretty sure I would like the mango float ice cream. I think I'm gonna go back there and order the mango float ice cream for dessert. So to rate Beef House Pares, I think I would rate it a 4.5. Like, imagine 4.5. Mua Valerie approved. And yeah, again, if you haven't watched my first ever food review, I suggest you watch it now. Click the little box down here, right here, and watch my first ever review. It's the shatter Persian kebab and ice cream, and I think you would like the trend of my reviews or my channel. Please support me by liking my channel, liking this video, at the same time subscribing to my channel, and share this video para daghan pud makakita. Also to all the Davaoeños, if you have suggestions as to where I would go next or eat next, let me know in the comment section. See you later. Bye.